Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to delete SQL file easy guide. Open your terminal or file manager, locate the SQL file, verify its contents with a quick preview, and ensure you have a backup copy before deletion. Use rm on Unix or Dell on Windows, or move the file to recycle bin for safety. Confirm deletion and check logs for any errors. Repeat for multiple files using patterns carefully to avoid accidental mass deletion. Want to avoid mistakes? Check file ownership and permissions, then run a safe preview like head or type before removing anything. Use sudo only when necessary and consider copying to a backup folder first. If deleting remotely, confirm the correct host and path and test on a small sample file before bulk operations to prevent costly data loss. Take screenshots if needed and document steps for team review. This habit saves time. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs well as light reading while you troubleshoot SQL. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider bookmarking resources for your workflow. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Using command line is fast and precise when you know how. Use RMI for interactive deletion, or use find with name and delete for targeted removal. Test patterns with dry run equivalents or LS to preview matches, and avoid using recursive deletes unless absolutely necessary. Keep backups and use version control for scripts to recover accidentally removed SQL files. Consider aliases for safer defaults, and set up TrashCli on Linux for recoverable deletions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.